Good morning. The capsicum is doing well, looking a little bit worse for wear in places, but you get that. It was repotted. It's successfully grown, but I am going to put it into here on a lovely little bed. So we are going to repot this baby. Then it may grow better, hopefully. Just going to set it in there. We're going to put some potting mix in it. So here we go. They say that you shouldn't really repot capsicum too many times, I guess, but what do they know? So I'm trying it anyway. And the other thing is, if you don't experiment, then how are you going to know what works and what doesn't work? Also, if you don't do it, who else is going to do it? Someone else isn't going to do it for you. So you might as well just do it yourself. And it's good motivation. Get there and do something, as opposed to getting there and doing nothing. This one is a big pot, so hopefully this baby loves it. And we'll give it a bit of water, some nice fresh rain water. Oops, that's alright. And we'll just sort of smoosh that down. Get it all compacted. Well, not too compacted, just firm, nice and firm. What we'll do is we'll put a bit more soil around here so the little roots are happy. And also, I have prepared this earlier. Now this is my special mix. Basically, it's composting rotting banana juice, and it's been diluted by rainwater. So we'll just pour it on here. So we'll see what this does. According to many, well, according to some, it is good for it. So we'll see how it goes. And we might as well just add a bit more soil around here. And there we have it. The repotted, slightly on an angle, capsicum. Ta-da! Beautiful. And the beautiful sunshine is just trying to pop through there as winter is coming along. And we're going to keep this capsicum growing as long as we can. Goodbye for now.